sa school? Oh. First day of school mo today? First day of school mo today? Hindi ka pa nag-sleep, ha? Hey? How old are you? 3. Where do you live? What's your section? Naon. What's your teacher's name? Miss Marie. How much your baon? Piso. Sobrang traffic na katulog. Ikap na, oh. Ikaw na, Lego. Ikap na. Tulog. Ikap na, anak. Ikap na.
Malaya Vicero. Catcher for Rainbow Carwen Pipipip.
Hi, what's that? Wow, what's that? How was school? Thank you, Kuya.
Oh, what's that?
Wow, what's that? That's a rainbow. Happy ka ba, Daydream?
Ang liit mo.
Red donut? What's that po? Can you show me? No, wait. Wow, what's this po? Show your artwork to me. Tapos ka na po. What's that po? Show to me. What's that po? Hand mo po yan. Cute na. Look. What's that? A raccoon. Say na bye-bye school. Say bye-bye school. Bye-bye school. See you tomorrow, class. Bye-bye na. Ano po? Nag-dance ka? Paano ka po nag-dance? Bye-bye ka na po. Show mo na na Nag-jump ka pa. But how did you jump? Oh, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Section 4, Giovanni Hugo T.
Ano po? Ay, sorry, teacher.
Nag-dance ka ba?
Happy ka po today?
Di ba
Happy
i-slip
ka?
Di ba i-slip ka nung pasok ka? Oh, nag-pick up ka na. Morning. Morning ka na kasi i-sleep.
Bye-bye.